getting a little crazy out there. I'll be gone for just a little bit, buddy. You take care of the place, and be safe. I will see you soon.
Amy 21, I need you to get this message to the head of school. She still might be there. I forgot my hydro flask, the one with the really good stickers. Okay, see you online. Bye.